Hello guys, I have LDK game and it is a small game device that emulates older game consoles up to PlayStation 1. This video is sponsored by Banggood.com and they are kind enough to send me this LDK game for me to review. It's a 64-bit OS, supports multiple game consoles, ultra large capacity, supports TF card. I'm not sure about the maximum capacity and it is multi-language, but let us open it right away. Upon opening, this unit came in this white plastic. With the screen protector installed, the button under the screen uses rubber membrane, while LR button is a tactile button. Underneath the cardboard spacer, AV cable, 3.5mm 4-pole to analog AV, and micro USB charger. This cable also functions as a data cable. On the main unit, at the right side is the screen brightness toggle, power or menu button, and micro SD card slot for memory expansion. At the back is the famous BL5C battery and a small speaker above it. Left side we have volume knob and physical power toggle switch. That was the sound of the buttons under the screen being pressed. Next, we look at underneath the battery itself. Features another slot for micro SD card. This comes with the unit itself along with a firmware loader. This slot is primarily used as a firmware for the operating system. The included micro SD capacity is 16GB. Let's turn on the device by sliding up the power switch. You will be greeted with retro firmware logo. Screen goes blank for a bit. This is normal and the interface will be displayed. The interface mainly in English, but the game and system names are in Chinese. You can however rename them to your preferred language. Even the file name of the ROMs also you can change, but not inside the game itself. Most of these preloaded ROMs has been modified to be in Chinese language. Well, some of the contents are still in English. Let's try on one of the preloaded game here. This is SNK vs Capcom, and for this game, the main menu is in English, but the character's name is in Chinese. Turning up the volume. I found out that the volume knobs are somewhat too sensitive, but the loudness can be adjusted within the main menu and fine-tune the volume from the knob. Here I am sitting right next to an Acorn big compressor. With the console system volume set at 100% and volume knob at max, it can beat the humming sound from the compressor and enjoy your game as well. Sometimes there are occasions that the game may flicker like in this game's character selection screen, but that is one of the flaws that you can't avoid from trying to emulate a game console. Next, I'm trying out Quake 2. It runs pretty okay though. There are times that the FPS drop in this device, and I'm trying to find a good balance of the volume because the knobs are somewhat sensitive. This is because of the system's volume level indirectly affects the sensitivity of the volume knob as well. I'm just trying out the buttons and guess what it will do. To be honest, I don't know how to play this game in this device, even though this game is a very famous game. In the Explorer, it is clear that this device can run under Linux. I don't know which Linux flavor this is, but this particular one uses .itk to install any applications or tools. And this game, Streets of Rage. PC ports, I think, that features a whole lot of characters for you to choose. This device is quite small. In fact, the size is about two-thirds of my current smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Note 1. The dimension is so small that holding on to this game are not so comfortable at all, but you will manage over time. Priced at 60 US dollar along with free shipping, it fits in most of your pocket. Almost the same size as Game Boy Advance SP when folded except half the thickness. You can put any emulation software supported by retro firmware up to PlayStation 1. I highly recommend this device and link is in the description below. Consider subscribing to my channel along with bell notification icon for future videos. This will certainly help my channel grow. Comment below if you have any question. Please share this video if you find this video helpful. Support me on Patreon as well. And Ashraf signing out. Have a good day.